Once upon a time, in a world not too different from ours, a tribe of adventurous souls decided to break free from the 9-to-5 grind. They packed their laptops, kissed their cubicles goodbye, and took flight. They are the digital nomads, living proof that work doesn't have to tie you down to one place. And boy, do they have some stories to tell. Before we dive into the top locations, let's take a moment to understand the digital nomad lifestyle. So, what is a digital nomad? Essentially, digital nomads are individuals who leverage technology to work remotely, trading in traditional office environments for locations that fuel their inspiration and creativity. The lifestyle does come with its pros and cons. On the positive side, digital nomads have the freedom to work from anywhere, experience diverse cultures, and break free from the 9-5 routine. On the downside, it can sometimes be lonely. The uncertainty of income can be stressful, and it's not always easy to find reliable Wi-Fi. Of course, there are some essential tools that every digital nomad needs: a reliable laptop, a good internet connection, and a plethora of digital tools and apps that aid in communication, project management, and other work-related tasks are non-negotiables. Now that we have a better understanding of the digital nomad lifestyle, let's explore the top locations where these modern-day adventurers choose to set up their workstations. Are you ready for the journey? Now, if you fancy a life where your office could be a beach in Bali one day and a bustling cafe in Barcelona the next, then buckle up, for we're about to whisk you away on a whirlwind tour of the top 5 digital nomad locations around the globe. First up on our list is the beautiful island of Bali in Indonesia. Known for its stunning beaches and vibrant nightlife, it's no wonder Bali is a favorite among digital nomads. With a plethora of co-working spaces, a strong community vibe, and a cost of living that makes your wallet smile, Bali is a tropical paradise where work and play harmoniously coexist. Next, we jet off to the charming city of Chiang Mai in Thailand. A hotspot for digital nomads, Chiang Mai offers a blend of traditional culture and modern amenities. Its low cost of living, coupled with a plethora of cafes offering free Wi-Fi, makes it an ideal location for those looking to immerse themselves in a unique cultural experience while staying connected to their work. Our third destination takes us to the heart of Europe, to the city of Berlin in Germany. Known for its rich history, thriving arts scene, and an abundance of co-working spaces, Berlin offers a vibrant and stimulating environment for digital nomads. Plus, its central location makes it a great base for exploring the rest of Europe. The fourth stop on our tour is Medellin in Colombia. Once notorious for its violent past, Medellin has transformed into a dynamic city with a warm climate, friendly locals, and a burgeoning digital nomad scene. With affordable living costs and a year-round spring-like climate, Medellin is a city where work and pleasure blend seamlessly. Finally, we touch down in the vibrant city of Lisbon in Portugal. With its mild climate, stunning architecture, and a thriving digital nomad community, Lisbon is fast becoming a favorite among nomads. The city's mix of historic charm and modern amenities, combined with its affordability, makes it an irresistible choice for digital nomads. Just as we've explored the delightful destinations for digital nomads, it's important to remember that this lifestyle isn't always a bed of roses. There are unique challenges that come with being a digital nomad, but fear not, for every problem, there is a solution. First up is the challenge of loneliness. Being on the move can sometimes lead to feelings of isolation. The solution? Join digital nomad communities. These communities, both online and offline, offer a space to connect, share experiences, and even collaborate on projects. Next is the issue of unstable income. This can be a significant concern for many digital nomads. The solution here is to diversify your income streams. Consider freelance work, online teaching, or starting a blog. These multiple streams can provide a more stable income and give you peace of mind. Lastly, the challenge of time zone differences. With clients and collaborators all over the world, managing different time zones can be tricky. The solution is effective scheduling. Utilize tools and apps that help manage time zones and schedule your work accordingly. Remember, with the right strategies, these challenges can be overcome, making the digital nomad lifestyle a rewarding experience. Now let's recap and conclude our journey. As we wrap up, Let's take a look at what the future holds for digital nomads. With the rise of remote work, it's no surprise that the digital nomad lifestyle is becoming more popular. Companies are increasingly offering remote work options, and people are taking advantage of the flexibility and freedom these opportunities provide. Technology plays a huge role in this shift. Advanced communication tools, reliable internet connections, and digital platforms are making it easier for people to work from anywhere in the world. But it's not just about technology and work trends. Governments and policies are also playing a part. More and more countries are recognizing the value of digital nomads and are introducing digital nomad visas to attract remote workers. From Estonia to Barbados, countries are making it easier for digital nomads to live and work legally. So, as we look forward, the future of digital nomadism is bright, with more people embracing this lifestyle and more countries becoming nomad-friendly. Stay tuned as we continue to explore this exciting evolution in the world of work. To recap, our top 5 digital nomad locations are Bali in Indonesia, Chiang Mai in Thailand, Berlin in Germany, Medellin in Colombia, and Lisbon in Portugal. Each of these locations offers a unique blend of culture, community, and connectivity, making them ideal for those seeking a flexible and adventurous lifestyle. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll delve deeper into the world of digital nomadism, exploring the ins and outs of this exciting lifestyle. And remember, the world is your office, so why not make the most of it? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all our latest content. Until next time, keep wandering.